Hello friends, let us learn something new in algebra. Please take the screenshots of important pages to make your notes. The good thing about algebra is that we can find the solutions of daily life problems or hurdles or puzzles by converting the problems into mathematical language and solving them in easy way. We start with this pattern of matchsticks. This shows the English alphabet letter L. In figure A, one L is drawn. B figure, two L's are there. In figure C, there are three L's. And to write one L, we count the number of matchsticks. It is 2. Then to write B figure, we need 4 matchsticks. And for the C pattern, we need 6 matchsticks. We can say that we need double number of matchsticks to write the number of L alphabets. We are now in the position to make the formula for number of matchsticks, and that is 2 into L. We can replace L by X, N, etc. as per our convenience. Now, if we are having the question to write 7 L's, then we need 2 into 7, that is 14 matchsticks. We can replace L with N or X. It is called a variable. Variable, as the name suggests, can be changed, varied. It can be any letter of English alphabets. Now we study the same matchstick pattern with English alphabet C. When we write the number of matchsticks required to make a particular number of C's pattern, we write the number of alphabet C over here, and the total number required for the matchsticks is here. From the table, we see that to write C once, we need 3 matchsticks. To write 2 times C, we need 6 matchsticks. For 3 C's, there is the need of 9 matchsticks. For 4 C's, 12 matchsticks will be required. For writing 5 C's in a pattern, we need 15 matchsticks, and so on. Here, every time the number of matchsticks is triple the number of C's. So here the formula for alphabet C is 3N. Now friends, can you draw the pattern for alphabets U, V and W? Please try it yourself. And if you find any problem, you can write to us in our comment box. Now let us take another example. In morning assembly of a school, the students are to stand in a row. If one row contains 10 students, then 2 rows will have 20 students, right? And 3 rows, that is 3 into 10, 30 students, correct? Means every time we are multiplying the number of rows with number of students. So when we are having R rows and each row has 10 students, then total number of students will be 10 into R, that is 10R. Here we are multiplying the variable with the numbers. Apart from multiplication, we have another operations in algebraic expressions like addition, subtraction and division. Now we take another example. If Aman has P marbles and Sukhpreet has 20 marbles more than Aman, then Write the expression for marbles that Sukhpreet has. Clearly, Sukhpreet has more marbles. Means we have got the operation of addition, and the marbles of Sukhpreet will have the expression P plus 20. In the similar way, when the question comes as the marbles of Manjot are 5 less than marbles of Aman, then expression becomes P minus 5. So we have learnt how to make algebraic expressions using variables, constants and mathematical operations. Let us take another example. If one box of mangoes can contain 50 mangoes, then we have to find the capacity of B boxes of mangoes. Clearly, one box is having 50 mangoes, two boxes will have 50 into 2, 100 mangoes, three boxes 50 into 3, 150 mangoes, and so on. Therefore, in question, we have to use the variable B, and the B boxes will have 50 B mangoes. See here, 50 and B. It is written as 50B and no multiplication sign is put in between 50 and B. It is understood that B is multiplied with 50. But in other expressions of addition, subtraction and division, we have to put the symbols also. One more example let us discuss to understand the concept more clearly. If Anushka is younger sister of Ashita and she is 3 years younger to Ashita, then write an expression for the age of Ashita. In this question, the expression for age of Ashita is asked. So, we have to assume the variable for Anushka's age and let it be small a. So, we write let the age of Anushka be a, then the age of Ashita is 3 years more than Anushka. It means 3 years added to a. See here, the operation of addition is there. Hope you have understood the basic operations and how to make algebraic expressions using variables, constants and the basic operations of mathematics. Once again, to remind you, we have not to put the multiplication sign in between variable and constant, but to put the sign of addition, subtraction and division is mandatory. That is all for today. In our next video, we will learn how to make equations using these expressions. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our latest videos notifications. For any queries or suggestions, drop a message in our suggestion box or comment box. Take care and work hard. Bye bye.